The Morley River in the Yukon is a waterway located near the start of Teslin Lake, named after Morley O.V., the son of famed Yukon surveyor William Ogilvy. The area is known for the Morley Lake recreation site near the BC-Yukon border, offering free camping, boating, and fishing along the Alaska Highway.
About 40 east of Teslin, cold mist on a coffee cup, boot prints in the river sand, rusted truck tailgate up. Map spread on the cooler, finger tracing every bend. Morley River, you were laughing, guess it's just us and the wind. Morley River blues, no time to lose. Morley River song, where I belong. That old current pulls you down, away from any town. Morley Lake waits ahead, words unsaid. Morley River blues, no time to lose. Morley River song, where I belong. Water brown like strong tea, cutting through the muskeg flats. Crows riding on the thermals, old tin boat stacked with traps. Heard there's a Morley Lake further down, wide and still. We just followed where you twisted, trusted every stubborn hill. Wind whispers through the pines, leaving city life behind. Just the water and the sky, watching clouds drift by. Morley River blues, no time to lose. Morley River song, where I belong. Morley River blues, no time to lose. Morley River song, where I belong.
hours under a starry dome. The road's my compass, the earth my home. Tires hum the tune, a gypsy's hymn. The world unfolds from a tiny tip. Over the deserts, over the sea, the drone flies high, so wild, so free.